Hey everyone, today we are playing more Party Animals. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. This looks annoying. This reminds me of Gang Beasts, but like the giant asylum. You know which one, Josiah? You let's all be cows, or y'all all want to be monkeys.
Yeah, the gorillas. Yeah, I'm not for the gorillas.
Bye bye, Josiah.
Oh god.
I used him as a human shield.
I think I just killed your partner. Did I kill you
I went
over?
straight to it like a dumbass, ain't gonna lie.
No, I killed him.
Oh, bomb! Bomb, boy.
I almost died. That's
You
what I
did die.
He just picked me up and picked me up.
Kill with him.
I just- Yeah, he took me with him. Yeah, of course. Like that shot you want? I did a headshot right there.
Dumbass.
Oh!
Later, Josiah.
Really keep going. Really. I'm already
Ooh, ha, ha.
I just see you just appear as a gorilla.
Come here.
No, just for that.
You hit the cat.
Oh, I hit the wrong person. I hit your teammate, not you. I hit the cat.
No,
That was just
Death
so
Note,
off.
you fucking idiot. I don't know what was through that fucking can, but
That
you
was
not
even one. Oh, that was not me for a 10.
Whoa, Super Saiyan.
She won't move like 2 feet. And the
Oh.
big fail.
I almost fell.
Where did he jump meta hard? I really like.
Damn,
There's
Josiah.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate you, bro. I really do, Death Note. You know, when they're
What
not
happened?
I leave you in the floor, nigga, not on the fucking ocean.
Wait, he killed you?
Yeah, this motherfucker just fucking
Yes.
right hooked my ass in the
Bon voyage.
I
Boom. Later, Josiah.
Oh my! Really?
yeah, fuck you.
Send the karma. I had the perfect weapon. It's just I used it on the wrong person.
Ain't no way. Whoever gets that close is dead.
Why you gonna see me? War was just standing still.
Oh yeah, and I got hit.
Oh yeah, I would just leave stamp clicking. I get sucker punched every fight. Oh! I'm him. I'm already
Josiah, I see you. Now you're not.
No! I couldn't even see. I couldn't even pull myself
Oh. You know, it just sucks that I'm stuck with Death Note as my partner.
Oh crap. Sorry, Wolf. We both got
up.
fleeing
LC
off.
one.
Blue one.
I
That was
just
funny.
had the misfortune of having Death Note as my partner. You don't want. Come here, boy.
You don't want the smoke.
Come here. I do want the smoke.
I'm keeping that. I see him. Look
Just
at my
with a
face.
Mozzie walking in the background.
I'll play again. Black hole.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm still doing the black hole. This map is actually pretty cool. Actually, taking that's takes a large amount of like to try not to get knocked off. That puppy
Soaks you
just
up.
that is not blocked off. Yeah, it actually. That you saw defeating. Look at this. Watch that. Look, watch that. Watch that wrap the rope.
I don't want to be a monkey anymore.
Wow, gorillas again.
Gorillas.
Alright.
Can an alligator beat a gorilla? No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if it catches them off guard, I mean, their bite force is pretty damn strong.
Yeah. I want to get that shark skin.
Flex him again.
Who am I with? Who am I with? I'm with the random. I'm with the guy who flexed.
Nothing right.
Okay. Get the chain. Move, monkey.
Oh my god.
Josiah.
Well, we're
We all
done.
got each. We're good. We're
With the
good. We're
real
good.
squad. Pick him up.
Where's my teammate at? Oh, he's over there.
Oh,
Bro, buddy,
Alex, I'm sorry about this. But
I'm just sleeping here for the world.
Oh crap.
I knocked myself out.
I got into
Oh,
the
now we're
creek.
dead this time. Now we're dead.
Yo, on.
See me one, we're dead. See me
I'm
one.
alive.
No.
I couldn't grab on.
I said knocked out. Well, I'm getting jumped.
Oh, I see you.
If we can survive next bit.
Bomb boy.
Die!
9/11.
How did I ran out of grip? Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. I ran out of grip. I'll take. I might be able to save myself.
Nah, you dead. He's gonna headbutt you. Oh damn.
What? I tried to save myself, but died just said uppercut away.
Oh, I know how to kick now.
No, I'm not wasting time with these guys.
Get off me, Josiah. Ow. You tased your teammate. Oh, I'll taste.
We're all going. None of us grabbing the chain.
I forgot how to collect stuff.
What just happened?
I see me one. It's a fucking drop kick to.
I'm trying to freeze someone. There we go. Now drop it.
Using it as cover.
I just iced myself. Well, that's a good thing. It can't pick me up because I'm so. Oh, it can't pick me up. Well, I'm
Let's
dead.
hold on to it then.
No! Last second I ran. I ran out of stamina. Every time, it's just a stamina problem. Every time.
Almost timed that right.
I hit someone across their head, they pressing on yellow.
Bon voyage.
Well. Someone. The person on blue
My
has two
teammate's an
choices. They
idiot.
blown up or they blown up.
All that money didn't go to
Yeah, I
his head.
can tell. Well, green's
Well,
winning.
green one. The fish don't work. The
I
zero
almost knocked
gravity.
him out.
Oh, my teammate's still in.
Come on, I don't even need you to team with the rope and brain itself, because I don't really see that
Massive
happening.
head game.
Why is he that running towards the chain? What is he doing? What is your teammate doing?
Oh my god, yeah.
I got him. I
Push
knocked
it
out
away,
the
push him away. Ah. Oh, I won.
I won it with
We
knocked him
won.
out.
Are you serious?
Someone drew a fish and hit him. I be joking.
If I lose this, I'm committing
He
arson.
falls and dies.
Oh, thank you.
I'm seriously one. I need to grab this hammer, right? I need to grab the. Hey, let me grab my.
Let go of me. I'm just plunging the floor. Come here, boy. How do I let go of items?
Double tap wherever you use to pick it up.
How the fuck did I keep knocking myself out?
There you go.
No, oh man.
I just knocked.
Bring your ass here, boy.
God. God.
Well, green one.
We almost everybody fell except like 2 dives at me. Cause all of us, cause I thought like someone had the chain, but no one had it. I see
my
your teammate
teammate.
even one didn't grow
I
enough
know.
right now. I'm just waiting for the chain to spawn, so I can throw a bomb right there.
I almost knocked him there.
Bro, me and you had the same idea, Josiah.
Oh yeah, it's just mine just sucks.
Dude, what is that fish?
Well, they lost. If your teammate can survive just like for 2 seconds, you can win if you won.
I know that. Oh, so close.
How did he survive? How did he survive?
I'm not sure how they Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, if you have a fish, I better fucking nail it.
No, I don't have a fish.
I just barely got mine.
Mine hit. He used him as a bodyguard. Ooh, ice red.
Are you serious?
Ow.
Yeah, you know what I'm trying to get. I hate
Oh, yeah.
cows.
My turn, my turn.
Weep, I hate you.
I'm keeping you frozen.
Oh, awesome.
You fucking froze me, you idiot. I hope you know that.
I froze CB1.
Yes, thank you.
I just dropped it.
Hang on.
Ow.
I hate this game. I got a gun.
I'm out of stamina. I'm out of stamina. I keep running out of stamina.
Okay. Get the chain. Green one.
How that one you fell? So you fell first.
That was a whole ass draw.
Yeah.
That was a whole ass draw. What do you mean he won?